Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is very nice to be here as a part of the audience. Before proceeding this presentation, let me introduce I'm B. Gopalakrishnan, heading the System Integration Initiative for HCL. With 3 decades of youngest leadership in hardware and software innovation, we are also doing a lot of work in the background for education. So we thought we can also share our views and thought process in this. Education is not just about academics, it is about transforming the life skills, thereby paving a way for better India. So it is very crucial today. Whatever it has been related with respect to academics. The person who is having the highest marks, he is not getting the employability with respect to the requirement. Why it's so? So you have to ask such a questions, and we have to compare what it can be done for the society. So today we are going to talk about the desired changes in the Indian education system, the change agents, requirements in ICT applications, features of ICT applications, derivable benefits of ICT applications, and the recommendations and the conclusion. Very recently, in the month of July, we have gone through an interview process. So there are 2 candidates who has come for the interview, and we are forced to select one candidate who has got the confidence, required skill set, and he is from a urban level education. So why there is a disparity in our education? And what is the desired changes for the Indian education system? What is needed? That is a parity in education system, improve the quality and quantity of education, vastly expand the capacity, thereby increase the accessibility, transform from the industrial society to a knowledge-based society. What are the change agents? From the top, it is policies, then followed by the processes, the required ICT tools, thereby the knowledge enablers and the learners can be greatly benefited. What are the things? If you talk about ICT, even iPad, even you talk about your smart classroom, or a virtual classroom, or a distance education can be a part of the entire ICT era. Definitely Professor will accept, because with respect to Pan-African, IGNOU has done a fantastic educational initiative for the globe. We really appreciate, and we are very proud in saying that we are also part of the technological requirement. So when you wanted to reach a class, the school has got 20 classrooms. Can you imagine a situation wherein there are 200 virtual classrooms is attached to one single school? Or a university which has got a physical infrastructure of 50 acres. Can we go beyond a continent to a globe? So definitely ICT tools and technology will enable a lot of things for the knowledge enablers and the learners. The requirement of ICT application, what is necessary for India? We are very specific, because we have to evaluate, and evaluation is the ICT tools, development of tools, conceptualize, develop and deploy new approaches for the new projects. It should facilitate effective teaching and learning. It should effectively transfer knowledge from a knowledge enablers to the learners. Should create interest for learners. Should enhance retention levels in learners. Should facilitate continuous growth in knowledge generation. Should enable effective administration, which is very crucial today, because when there is an initiative which has been taken, I wanted to get a feedback about the initiative, whether it is right, whether we are going in the right track or anything. The administrative tools are very, very crucial. What are the features of ICT application? So when you talk about, there are a lot of tools which is being used right from the contents, virtual classrooms, internet-based self-learning tools. There are a lot of data which has been shown by the people. The surfing or the googling, which is one of the highest in the industry. There is an argument which is available between a mother and a child. When she is asking some questions to the mother, she is not able to answer. And the mother says, "You are not downloaded, you are born." So that is a difference in the society today. And the language labs, when you talk about language labs, between the urban to the real requirement of rural, the language is one of the barriers. We have so many boards, we have vast languages. So how to improvise my English language? The requirement of simulation software. Can I simulate something which is specially for that child? Can we make a customized learning environment for a child? And interactive whiteboards and the digital pens and the audio books. The tools which we are talking about, we have been hearing, reading, some of the people really hate. When such people can use of your audio book, which can be given, and definitely it can improvise your learning process. Student response system. Each and every topic which has been taken by the teacher, at the end of the session, I wanted to confirm whether it has gone into that or it has not been understood by the student. Or how I have to change my methodology of teaching. Distance learning tools, which is really a winner for our educational system, which is going almost into the process. And every university, every higher education university, they are taking a larger step towards the distance learning. Mobile learning, this is the next era which is coming very fast. Wherein, can you imagine a situation wherein the standard one student who is carrying a mobile and learning the things through the mobile era? It will happen, because when you talk about chalk and pencil, they may have, but the moment it is coming to a mobile, they are really attracted. E-lectures, whatever be the content which is being recorded, professor will be giving a presentation to a large audience. Can it be recorded, kept it in the library, which can be used for the multiple people in multiple sections. Skill set development tools, which we stress to the maximum extent. Though he is qualified, meritorious, he is not employed. Why so? So let us improve upon the skill set development. With respect to knowledge portal, there has to be a lot of initiatives has to be taken. Digital libraries, e-books and assessment tools, online content and e-books. There are 12 kg to 8 kg weight which is being carried away by a student today. There are a lot of articles which is coming, but finally what is the end? If there is a book which is available which can be downloaded for the next 1 year of the entire syllabus, the right side is a notebook and the left side is your reference book, how it would be. Things are coming, let us prepare for that. And it should be a lifelong learning. I completed my graduation, that is the end of the day. I got into my company, that is the end. No. It should be a continuous process, thereby we can create a lifelong learning environment for the customers. The moment you are coming to the applications of system administration tools, there are a lot of requirements which is coming. There is a scheme which has been announced, whether the scheme is good, bad, or it is not working out in India. I wanted to get. There are tools, education softwares which is available, through which we can find out with this particular model, this particular solution which is not working for us, let us change. And administrative model, it should be a workflow process, and required reporting models and online examinations. Many universities today, they are looking for URP. The reason being, they are able to maximize their resources properly. So this kind of application also has to be considered when we are going for ICT implementation. What are the deliverable benefits? It empowers a constructivist learning, facilitate a personalized learning. Education system will contribute to enhanced skill set of creativity, innovation, critical thinking, problem solving, collaboration and adaptability, which is very, very crucial today. Collaborate. It is not only a national collaboration, as the people are saying, we have to collaborate internationally. And it should be a holistic development. enhances retention in educational institutions, improves the gross enrollment ratio or graduate enrollment ratio, enables parity in Indian education system, facilitate knowledge research based on skills, competency rather than rules, policies and theorems. Our recommendations. First of all, we feel that our entire teacher training institutions or B.Ed colleges or M.Ed colleges, they have to be equipped with all the gadgets, whatever we are talking about. When they are coming for the schools, it should not be a different problem for them. So first of all, the change management has to happen in the training institutions. The moment they are equipped, they are coming for the real schools or the colleges. It has to be provided with the ICT tools and the broadband. Then review the progress with the administrative tools. Thereby you can sustain, and then you sustain and upgrade the ICT tools. Thereby you create a lifelong learning environment for the entire community. The conclusion, India is different from all our other countries. Many of our problems and challenges in education are different nature of the vastly different magnitude. The achieved desired results, the changes, ICT has to be customized as per the Indian education system and should enable a quality and quantity of education. Such ICT implementation to the existing system will not only enhance a constructive learning but facilitate a lifelong knowledge growth. If you teach today as we thought yesterday, we rub our children tomorrow. John Dewey. So, thanks a lot for the opportunity. Thanks a lot.